with my quiz. I took like 4 minutes.
Can learn content for the first time. So sense of regret that you're feeling today.
So basically I have a class today at 1 p.m. and right now it's like 12:50 and I'm waiting for the Zoom link to open. But anyway, it's almost the 3rd week of the semester and I am studying really hard, I hope. Hi everyone, so after 1 week of just trapping myself in my room and just like study the whole 1 week, actually today I was supposed to study from the morning until night, but suddenly my senior, she asked me out to eat dinner together, so I'm gonna eat dinner together. Like finally I'm out. I'm gonna go there. It's a Malaysian restaurant, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. We are here at Seongsu. Hai guys, saya di sini di kedai Makan. Sudah makan. Masak. 이거 nasi lemak fried chicken 2개하고
2개 드릴까요?
네.
2개.
하나 주세요.
날씨가 프라이드 치킨 2개, 그 다음 한국 물라천 하나 가주시죠. 네, 알겠습니다.
Rina pergi basuh tangan. Good practice basuh tangan. Makan sebelum buat.
Hi guys, so kan sudah gila mana? We're currently here at the Makan. Ching ching. Anya. Ayah.
Lari. Kana. Besar. Dia tak nampak ada awal.
Ada awal. Mana? Ada kapas. I'm searching for lotion. We are here at Olive Young. I'm gonna search for lotion. I found the hand cream, but it's really small. I found my hand cream. This is really nice. I just bought a hand cream, 2 hand cream, and then peach lilac perfume mist. And then you can see there, that's like self checkout, like self counter. So like I bought this one. I bought my hand cream. Now let's search for Kak Debo. It's like Daiso. Hey guys, there's a lot of candies. As you can see here. Mana? Halal babe, halal. Jangan risau. Nampak tu? Wah! Wah! Gembira. Wah! Start dulu. QR code. QR code.
여기잖아.
So guys, it's like 10. Wow, tingginya. And then you can't even see the top because of the mist. Yeah. Kita ke mana ni?
We're going back lah.
Anjing. Anjir. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Cakap main cakap. Cakap. Nak tengok tu saya. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. Ni makan haribo.
표정이 왜 그래?
괜찮은데? 잠깐만. Nak pergi mana? Kita mau pergi lunch. Okay, nak pergi lunch. Akak famous.
So cute.
Akak YouTuber. Blind date. Blind me. Blind date on me. We are here, rolling pasta. You can see here, rolling pasta. Apa dia sedap?
Kat dalam mulut. Pink lover
Pink lover,
and cherry jubilee.
cherry jukumi.
Jubilee.
Jubilee. Alah.
Sana gila sana.
I just done filming today. So basically, there's a Korean skincare brand called Naming. They gave me like a whole box of product inside here, and they asked me to review their product. This is the lash maker in black, and this is the fixer, and then this is the lip balm. This is lip balm as well. This is color Days and then Knock, and then another one which is the multi balm. So let me show you this multi balm. Basically, it's like this. Like, I'm in love with this. Legit, I'm in love with this brand, this line they gave me. You can see I wore some stuff on my face. I look pretty. Oh my god, I look pretty. I did that and I filmed like, so basically today in the morning I have morning class at 10:30, but I woke up at 8 something or like 9 something to just like prepare for the class, and then I have class 10:30 until 12, and then since 12 I like the lighting is really good, so I decided to film for the product review. And then I have another class at 2:30, 2:30, like another 30 minutes left. I'm gonna prepare for my class. The next class, 2:30 until 4, and then 4 until 5:30. That's a long one, yeah. And I need to study, so a whole day of study and class, and a slight very short session of filming. So basically that's it, my day for today. Probably not gonna film for you guys. I'm just going to give you sneak peeks of like small film, like small shots and films of my life today. But yeah, bye. While I'll wait for my professor to start this meeting, I'm here with my textbook and my iPad and my snack, because I've been loving like eating this. I want a snack, but I want a good one, a healthy one. Anyway, this is the energy bar snack I'm gonna eat for my lunch, because I haven't eat lunch. But basically, yeah, that's that. Wait for my class to start. It tastes good. Nice one. Cepat. 안녕하세요. 안녕. 이거 어떡하지? 아, 그냥 안녕.